Good afternoon. Last time we were seeing about work, this topic, work and energy. In that topic we have seen about the work done. Work done, what is positive work, what is negative work. So today we are going to see about the energy. What is energy? So energy is nothing but the capacity to do work. कार्य करण्याची क्षमता. In day-to-day life, we are using word energy, but in scientific term, it is capacity to do work. कार्य करण्याची क्षमता. So various forms of energy are there. Sun is the largest source of energy, and various forms of energy like heat energy, light energy, sound energy, mechanical energy. In that, mechanical energy are of two types. So first we are seeing about definition. What is energy? First study what is energy. It is nothing but the capacity. Capacity to do work. So simple definition of energy is capacity to do work. So various forms of energy like light energy, sound energy, heat energy, electric energy and mechanical energy. In that, mechanical energy are of two types. This mechanical energy in this form there are two types of energy. One is the kinetic energy. Simply I have written here Ke, and another is potential energy, P. So today we are going to study detail about the kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? Gatiz urja. In Marathi, Gatiz urja. Kinetic energy means Gatiz urja. We are seeing various objects are moving. In playing cricket, while cricketer or batsman play the ball is moving with certain velocity. So that moving ball possesses the kinetic energy. Or any moving object possesses kinetic energy. Moving bus, running boy, any moving object possesses the kinetic energy. That means the kinetic energy is the energy possessed by body by virtue of its motion. एखाद्या वस्तूच्या गतीमुळे बाय व्हर्च्यू ऑफ इट्स मोशन हा शब्द फार महत्वाचा आहे. बाय व्हर्च्यू ऑफ इट्स मोशन, बाय व्हर्च्यू ऑफ म्हणजे च्या योगे. द एनर्जी possessed by a body by virtue of its motion is called kinetic energy. एखाद्या वस्तूचे त्या वस्तूच्या गतीमुळे वस्तूला प्राप्त झालेली ऊर्जा म्हणजे गतीज ऊर्जा. कायनेटिक एनर्जी इन मराठी आपण त्याला म्हणू शकतो गतीज ऊर्जा. एखाद्या वस्तूच्या गतीमुळे प्राप्त झालेली ऊर्जा म्हणजे गतीज ऊर्जा. एनर्जी possessed by a body by virtue of its motion is called kinetic energy. Various examples you can say about this. That is, any moving object possesses the kinetic energy. Bullet fired from the gun, moving ball, moving bus, moving any vehicle, that possesses the kinetic energy. So this is the simple definition of kinetic energy. So formula for kinetic energy is kinetic energy Ke is equal to 1 half mv square. Here m is the mass of that object, v is the velocity. So kinetic energy is equal to 1 half mv square. So this is the formula for kinetic energy. So now we are going to study how this formula comes. For expression of the kinetic energy in the form of formula. So we know that what is work done? W is equal to force into displacement. This is the formula. That means if force is applied on any object and if there is a displacement in the direction of that force, then we can say that work is done. Suppose a body of mass m is moving with initial velocity u, uniform initial velocity u. And if force, suppose this is the body, this is the object, having mass m and initial velocity u, and if force is applied on this particular object, because of that force there is a displacement of that object. Suppose this object moves from here to here. So S is the displacement of that object, and because of this force is applied in this direction and the object moves in this direction, so positive work is done. Here S is the displacement and that body moves with velocity v. Let A be the acceleration of that object. When force is applied on that object, the object moves from position A. Suppose this position A, this position is B. This object moves from A to B. S is its displacement, and because of this force, its velocity changes to V. So there is a change in velocity. So A be the acceleration object of that object. So we know that here work is done because of the force. So what is the formula for work done? W is equal to force is applied, and if there is a displacement in direction of force, so W is equal to Fs. Call this as equation number 1. Suppose call this as equation number 1. Why this work is done? Because force is applied on that particular block and there is a displacement. Work is done. So we have written the formula for work done. W is equal to F into S. But we know that F is equal to ma. F is equal to mass into acceleration. F is equal to ma. Mass into acceleration. Call this as equation number 2. Then, because of this force, there is a displacement and velocity changes from u to v, and a is the acceleration. So, relation between this initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration, and the displacement is given by the Newton's kinetic equation. One of the equation, Newton's kinetic equation. V square is equal to u square plus twice as. Newton's kinetic equation. This gives the relation between final velocity, initial velocity, acceleration, and this displacement. So we have to calculate the value of S here. So V square, this plus minus u square, this plus u square comes to here minus u square. That is equal to twice as. Again, this twice a comes at this side. What do we get? V square minus u square upon twice a. This is equal to S. Call this as equation number 2. Sorry, 3. Using these two equations, that is value of F and value of S, equation number 2 and equation number 3, in the equation number 1, what we get? So we get W is equal to, what is the value of F? MA into, what is the value of S? This V square minus u square upon twice a. V square minus u square upon twice a. This a and this a will get cancelled. What do we get? W is equal to M into V square minus u square upon 2. So what we get? W is equal to 1/2 into M into V square minus u square. If the object is moving with initial, object is moving from stationary position, एका ठिकाणी स्थिर आहे तो ऑब्जेक्ट आणि त्याच्यावर फोर्स लावला गेला आहे, दॅट मीन्स स्टेशनरी पोझिशन मध्ये असताना इनिशियल वेलोसिटी u इज इक्वल टू 0. So put that u is equal to 0 here. What do you get? When we put u is equal to 0, that means u square is equal to 0. What we get here? W is equal to 1 of mv square. That is work done is equal to 1 of mv square. So what is that work done? If force is applied, then object moves from initial position to final position. म्हणजेच सुरुवातीची जी वेलोसिटी जी किती होती 0 होती. इनिशियल वेलोसिटी 0 असल्यामुळे काय झालं? चेंज इन वेलोसिटी आपण म्हणतो पण इनिशियल वेलोसिटी 0 असल्यामुळे 1 of m u square that is 0. Therefore w is equal to 1 of mv square. So this work done is nothing but the kinetic energy. That is equal to 1 of mv square. So this is the expression for the kinetic energy of the object. So we get this expression, kinetic energy is equal to 1 of mv square. So kinetic energy is nothing but the half the product of mass of that object and square of the velocity.